Yeah, good day. Today we'll be talking about 3D. Why 3D? Why 3D? We have exhausted that, and the basic 3D concepts, we are going to be taking them in the following order. The first one is isometric drawing, which is of course not a true 3D. There's a wireframe, we have surfaces, stroke regions, and we have solid objects. So whereas in 2D we're dealing with two axes, which is the X and Y axis, but in 3D we'll be dealing with 3D coordinate system comprising the X, Y, and Z axis. Okay, so the basic wireframe models. Wireframe models are the simplest form of true 3D drawing. They can be used for conversion to other programs or other simple uses. Still, note, they are not a common way of drawing in 3D these days. Okay, so I'm going to use this chair. This is a pictorial view of a chair. I'm going to use it to introduce us to 3D isometrics. So what we do now, we come to our space. You look for okay, I'll create a drawing. I will check the units because the drawing is the unit is in inches. Units. Okay, this is already in units. I can change this because every number there is whole number. I can change it to 0. Okay, so prior to now I created layers. Okay, I created layers. Let me say for the back of this chair I will use yellow. For the seats of the chair I will use blue. So if you don't want to use those ones, you can create new layers if you like. Okay, you can create new layers, but we are going to use let's say yellow. Make yellow active. Okay, make yellow active so I can draw the back. So let us go back to the picture. The back has this is S axis, which is 4, and this is Y axis, which is 36. The Z axis is the vertical one. So I'm going to draw a rectangle that has a length of 36 and a width of 4 millimeters. Okay, now I will come and activate rectangle tool. You tell me to specify first corner point. I will take any point. Then you see the S axis is 4, so I will use relative at 4, 36. I will enter. Okay, then to give it the height, which is representing the Z axis, I will copy. Okay, copy, select object to copy. I will enter. Okay, then it will now tell me to specify the base point, which is this. Now I want to enter the third axis, which is the Z, and it has a length of 34. So I will say at S is 0, Y is 0, Z is what? 34. Okay, and I will use the line command to join. Say line specify first point. I will specify this first point, take it to this point, enter. Okay, enter again. Can decide to specify, can do this. I'm drawing the back. Okay, again I'm bringing it this way. Okay, I can decide to still put this first. I'm just working on the basis of ISO now. This is the back. Okay, this is the back. Now let us go back to the drawing. You have the side. So I'm going to draw a rectangle of S. The length of S is 24 and the width is 4. So I'm going to draw X, which is 24 by 4 by 0. Okay, so I will ignore that. So I will come here, activate rectangle command again. No, I will not go to layer. The side is red, activate it. So I will go to rectangle. You tell me specify first point. I will take the first point. Okay, then second point will be at S axis is 24, comma Y axis is 4. Okay, now I can now decide to add the Z axis, which is the height of the seat. So the height of the seat is how many? 24 millimeters. So the height of the seat is 24 millimeters. I can copy. I can decide to say copy, select object to copy, enter, select base. Okay, base. I'm now going to, this will give me X will be what? The value of, we're not dealing, S is 0, Y is 0, and Z is 24. So I can say at 0, 0, 24 to give me this. Okay, then I will use a line command to join here to here, enter. Okay, line command again to pick here, to join here, enter. Okay, line command again, take this to here, enter. Okay, if I like I can see join here to here, but I'm just trying to show us isometric. Then I will not copy. You see the distance from here to here is 36. The thickness of this hand or this side is 4. So the thickness of this other side will be 4. So what I'm trying to do now is I want to copy this along this Y axis by a certain amount so that it will come to the end here. Okay, so that will give me 36 minus 4, which is 32, minus 4 again, which is 28. So I'm going to copy this, taking here as my base to this side by 28. So I will come here, I will click on copy. Okay, copy. It's not one object, so enter. My base here will now be what? This. I can decide to just shift it and bring it here if I like. Okay, or enter on the command line. Now we want to put want to include the seat. Now the seat has a color of blue. Blue for the seats. I've activated the seat now. Okay, so I have where is the drawing? The seat is x axis is 26 and y axis will now be 36 minus 4 minus 4, which is 28. So the seat will be 26 by 28. 26 by 28. So I will activate rectangle, come here, I'll start from here. Okay, at second point, at s is 26 comma 28 for y. I will now enter. Okay, so I can decide to move this because the height of the seat from the bottom is 12 inches rather. So I can decide to move it. I can decide to say, okay, move. Let me use move command. Move command, enter, then enter, sorry, enter, and sorry, move. This is move, select, enter, then take base, choose base point anywhere you like. I can take here and move it up by 12, or I type s is 0 at 0, 0, 12. I will enter. Okay, so this is the bottom of the seat. Then I can now copy to a thickness of, give it a thickness of 4, select, enter. Okay, this is the base. By what distance? That is 0 at 0, 0, 4, which will give me the thickness. Okay, which will give me the thickness. Then I can now use the line command to join this point to this, enter, line command to join here to here, enter, and line command to join, okay, line command to join here to here, enter. So I don't want to give it, we are not doing solid drawing now. So this is what you have. This is the back. You see the layer is showing this, the sides to be red and the seat to be blue. I can decide to shade later, but this is what I want you to learn, how to enter the command line to generate an isometric drawing. Thank you.